So say you like what you're playing in one zone, but want to play something different in another. Well, DTS Play-Fi makes that easy too. In order to add a new zone, all we have to do is hit the plus icon up at the top bar. This will give us various options, but we will keep it simple this time and just hit Add Zone for a simple zone. We can select any speakers or groups that are available on the network. In this case, let's pick Bedroom, and then we can select from one of the available music services. And again, we have our simple controls that are tailored to this particular group. If I hit the Play-Fi button, it takes us back to the Play-Fi control screen, and again you see both zones currently active on the screen. You don't have to navigate away from this screen if you want to have full power or full control over them. You can pause and play one zone, control volume in another, without interrupting each other.
It's empty